Hello, good morning children. Today we will discuss about preparation of salts by decomposition reaction. Right? In previous video, some people asked me that, sir, now preparation is not given in syllabus as per the reduced syllabus of ICSE. Okay, I would like to clarify. Preparation is given, but not at that scale. What you were earlier given. Clear? Here preparation we have to study, but with reference to decomposition reaction only. Right now, briefly I have also told you all combination reaction, very common reaction. That's why I told you all combination and displacement reaction. How salts are prepared by combination and displacement reaction. But if we talk about reduced syllabus, only decomposition method we have to study. Reaction we have to study. Okay, in previous class, some people asked me, said this decomposition reaction is not in new revised syllabus. No, it is given clearly, it is written. You can see the syllabus. Clear? Decomposition we have to study. Okay. So let us start how salts are prepared by decomposition reaction. Okay. So first is by decomposition of carbonate and bicarbonate. By decomposition of carbonate. Okay, with acid, or decomposition of carbonate by acid. So let us see the reaction. Suppose you have sodium bicarbonate. When sodium bicarbonate undergo decomposition with hydrochloric acid, it forms sodium chloride plus H2O plus CO2. Very common reaction. Clear? Whenever, word equation I am writing, whenever bicarbonate undergo decomposition by acid, it produces salt plus water and carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas. This is common reaction. So whenever bicarbonate undergo decomposition, it always produces salt, water and carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas. Right? I hope you people understood. Okay, more equation we can see. Calcium bicarbonate, CaHCO3 whole twice. When calcium bicarbonate undergo reaction with nitric acid, we can see nitric acid here. Okay, it forms calcium nitrate plus, minus, plus and minus. Calcium nitrate CaNO3 whole twice plus water molecule plus CO2. Clear? This CO2 plus will join NO3 minus. Okay, to satisfy this 2 plus valency, it will form calcium nitrate whole twice, CaNO3 whole twice. Here H plus combined with HCO3 minus. HCO3 minus. To make it balance, you have to put Stirrer coefficient 2 here. Here we have 2HCO3 minus. So to satisfy this minus valency, we must have H plus. This 2H plus will go with 2HCO3 minus to form 2H2CO3, 2 carbonic acid. Carbonic acid in previous classes I have told you all very unstable. It immediately decomposes into water and carbon dioxide. That's why here H2 and CO2 is formed. H2 and CO2 is formed. Right? Now come at by decomposition of carbonate. By decomposition of carbonate. See, earlier it was bicarbonate. Okay? It was bicarbonate. Bicarbonate. Okay, decomposition of bicarbonate. Now come at decomposition of carbonate this time. Decomposition of carbonate by acid. Carbonate by acid. Clear? See, same product. Carbonate plus acid gives out salt plus water plus CO2. Common reaction. Common reaction. Right? Carbonate plus acid decomposition to form salt plus water and carbon dioxide gas. Let us see the example of calcium carbonate, CaCO3, undergo decomposition by hydrochloric acid. It produces CaCl2, 2 plus and minus. To make it balance, you have to put a stoichiometric of Cn2 here, because here 2 plus charge is present over calcium. So despite this 2 plus valency, we need 2 minus. Earlier when I put here HCl only one Cl minus was present. That's why to make it balance, I put here stoichiometric of Cn2. Now we have 2 Cl minus. This 2 Cl minus will combine with calcium to form CaCl2. What is remaining here? 2H plus. This will go with CO3 minus. So 2H plus combined with 2CO3 2 minus to form H2CO3. Again, I told you all, H2CO3 is very unstable. It immediately dissociates to form H2O and CO2 molecule. H2O and CO2 molecule. I hope you people are understanding. Clear? One more example we can see, magnesium carbonate, MgCO3. It undergo decomposition with sulfuric acid. Decomposition with sulfuric acid. Very easy to understand the reaction. Mg2 plus 2 minus plus and 2 minus. Okay, plus with minus, Mg2 plus, it will combine with sulfate to form magnesium sulfate, MgSO4. 2 minus 2 plus. They will cancel each other to form MgSO4. And this H2 will combine with CO3 minus to form H2CO3. Again H2CO3 is very unstable. It will produce H2O plus CO2. Plus CO2. Right? This is the decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction to produce salt. Okay? Now come at decomposition of chloride. Decomposition of chloride by acid. Number 3, decomposition of chloride by acid. Clear? Let us see the reaction. Okay, so chloride means metal chloride. Chloride means metal chloride. Okay, so metal chloride, you can see the example of sodium chloride, NaCl plus sulfuric acid. Very familiar reaction. NaCl plus sulfuric acid concentration. This reaction is based on dependent on temperature. Okay, when temperature is below 200 degrees Celsius, it produces NaHSO4 plus HCl. But when temperature goes beyond 200 degrees Celsius, H2SO4, always remember here it is concentrated. When temperature is above 200 degrees Celsius, it produces Na2SO4 means normal salt plus 2HCl. Right? This reaction is temperature dependent. More oftenly, it is asked in examination. Okay? Important chemical reaction. Right? One more chloride we can take, zinc chloride. ZnCl2 plus sulfuric acid, H2SO4. It produces salt, zinc sulfate plus 2HCl. Clear? I hope you people understood how salts are formed by decomposition of chloride, carbonate, bicarbonate. Okay. Fourth one is by decomposition of sulphite with acid. Sulphite with acid. Clear? So sulphite decomposes in presence of acid to form salt plus water plus SO2. Same like carbonate, here SO2 will form instead of CO2. Sulphite plus acid undergo decomposition to form salt plus water plus SO2 gas. SO2 gas. Let us see the example of sodium sulphite, Na2SO3 plus HCl gas plus, not gas, acid, hydrochloric acid. Okay, it attack over this sodium sulphite to form NaCl plus H2SO3 this time will form, and that H2SO3 dissociate to form water plus SO2. Right now, earlier in case of carbonate, H2CO3 were forming and that decomposes to form H2O plus CO2. In case of sulphite, when acid attack over sulphite, it forms salt plus H2SO3 and that H2SO3 undergo dissociation to form H2O plus sulfur dioxide gas. So sodium sulphite plus HCl gives out sodium chloride plus water plus SO2 molecule. Clear? Here you can put the stoichiometric coefficient 2 in front of HCl. Clear? To form 2 NaCl molecule along with the formation of water molecule and sulfur dioxide gas. Clear? This is the way. This is the way how salts are prepared by the decomposition reaction. That's all about the chapter acid, base and salts as per the reduced syllabus of ICSE due to the pandemic effect of coronavirus. Right? So in next video we will discuss about analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry. That's all for today. Thank you.